Yeah.
Pulling steps.
Alright, I got an hour and 30 minutes. Just stepped off the train. Here it is. Welcome to Monaco. Look at them selling earplugs. Combien?
5.
€5 for me, that. €5 for a fucking pair of earplugs. Are you shitting me? Have a look. Look at all these people on the balconies, patios, all enjoying the sunshine, enjoying the atmosphere. The atmosphere is pretty wild down here. And I mean, look at the streets. Absolutely packed. Totally packed, but it's so much fun. Last year when I came down here, there was a lot of policing and you couldn't stand anywhere, trying to see if you could get a view. Today, I might go have a bite to eat or something, but right now, I mean, look, wanna buy some hats, wanna buy any merch, it's all right here. Because just around the corner up here is a spot that you can have a view, and a few people are already just sitting here. But last year on these steps was where we watched the race from, and now they got security control here. But where I will be looking, I was right here last year when the police were here, and it was quite the scene. But hopefully they don't kick us out like last year. You never know. Last year they had different spaces open where you could get a glimpse. This year might be a bit different, but I'll see what I can do, and I'll just go where I can. To the Formula One fans.
All right, so after we ask the question,
check it out.
Then you have to leave the stage.
Get a selfie. Got to do that again.
All right, Molly, you want to start us off?
Right here. Got some officials.
Answer A, Monza. Answer B, Spa.
So Monza over here, Spa over there.
Not many people.
That was really quick.
All right, crowd, what do we think the answer is? Spa, that is correct. Spa, well done everybody. All right, you made it to the next round. Okay, our next question is, which country has hosted the most Formula One Grand Prix? Answer A, Italy. Answer B, Monaco.
Look at all these people, man. It's all just so packed. Right here they got the F1 simulators. So crowds of people. Get up and get a view. Up that way. Because there's a lot of people up there. Oh yeah. Formula One Grand Prix in Monaco. You can get a view from up here. So it could be pretty good, decent. One thing about being in Monaco is you got to remember, you got to do a lot of walking if you want to see anything. The police won't kick you out from. And for me, I'll find one, whether I have to go up here or not. Not many people up here today. This is where I'm gonna try and go. See if I can get a view from one of these shots up here. And oh damn, they're selling tickets for here. Last year, when I came through here, I had all the police. I'm gonna see if I can get a shot of them right here. That was pretty wild. And last year we got kicked out of this spot, so let's see how it goes this time. Again, every year, man, they always do it. And they just kick you out like that. Verstappen in first. We got Norris right behind him, but Leclerc is in third. Hopefully, Leclerc will come back and take the win. Here in Monaco. Now I gotta go find another spot to take a view and see if I can see, because there's too many police everywhere. This is from last year that are now blocked off this year. I need to get a ride with one of these Monaco police people and let me get in. Find your place. I mean, let's just have a look right here for 1 minute while I'm here. I mean, got the BMW, the Porsche, the McLaren. On this side over here, you got the Aston Martin. Look at that. Whoa, that Ferrari. Boy, that's vintage Ferrari, man. And then over here, I'll get you one look at this one. Yeah. Helicopters up there. It's pretty cool. So we're 40 laps out of 78 so far. Leclerc is in third, and now in the second. I mean, look at these hoodies. I would love to pick up one of those hoodies. Nice, right? But I just wanted to stop into the shop here and have a look and show you guys some of the merch that they're selling here. They even got kid sizes in here, right? So it's pretty cool. Just wanted to show you what it looks like inside the merch shops. 20 more laps to go. Let's see what happens. Hopefully the hometown hero can do it again. Bro, I'm here in Monaco at Formula One, and what is this guy got here?
This is Spanish tataki.
Spanish tataki.
Yes, try this one. This is the Spanish tataki. This is the ham that everyone knows, but this is the Spanish tataki.
That's really good, man.
It's really good, man. It's pork. We love pork in Spain.
I love pork too.
You know, in Spain we have more pork than inhabitants, so
Really?
yeah, that's why we
Look
are.
at, we got a whole
one of the biggest
leg right here. Look at that.
So just record the place, Dionysos. We are here selling pork and also giving to this superhuman being a little bit of a Spanish pork.
All right,
Have
man.
fun, guys.
Have fun and enjoy. That was really nice. What's your name, man? What was your name?
Tony from Spain.
Thank you very much for that, man. That was
Ciao,
really
guys.
good, man. Ciao, guys.
Have fun.
But I gotta say, look at the view. All the people down here right now, just checking out every little restaurant and that. Verstappen, he's in first place right now. We got 20 laps to go. And you can feel the vibrations, you can hear the cars, and it's quite the place to come. Sit back and enjoy. But for me, I like feeling the vibrations of the cars ripping by you. And I mean, hey, I don't have a ticket, but you know, enjoy the atmosphere, have fun while you're here. Check out all the merch. Look, 30 euros for a coffee mug. So now, I'm gonna go back and let's see if I can get another view of the boys ripping. The official. Alright, now you can really hear the cars. Let's get down closer to track side. The track is literally right there. So I'm gonna go down, get another one of those. Just right over here. To the track, and literally there's thousands of people trying to get through. Yeah, I'm sitting here, I'm waiting. I'm not sitting in that lineup. Look at them all. It's so crowded. A lot of people are waiting for the track to open, but I'm heading out of here because there's so many people. And I mean, can you imagine what the train's gonna be like to catch that to go back home? Holy. Look at all the people. And the parties start here in Monaco for Formula One. Thanks for watching the video today. Hope you enjoyed it. Sorry I'm getting in everybody's way here. Look at the people here. Hope you enjoyed it. Police right here, all trying to get out of the way. And I got them behind me too. So I gotta go because I got all the police over here. And the police are all right here. Best part about it is I'm gonna follow these guys and get through all the traffic. Hey guys, I just want to say thanks for watching the video today. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, I'm out here in Monaco, Formula One, baby. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Like, this is nuts, man. It's gonna be crazy to get on the train.